Welcome back to Via Fashion, where we blend classic men's fashion with the natural beauty of everyday life. Today's theme is timeless men's style, autumn gardening in Henley long sleeves. Autumn is a season of rich colors, crisp air, and quiet elegance. It's the perfect time to showcase how a simple Henley long sleeve can be styled in versatile ways that suit both the charm of the outdoors and the sophistication of timeless menswear. Let's walk through 10 carefully curated outfits, each capturing a different mood of autumn gardening while maintaining that classic, understated elegance. One, the rustic layer. Picture yourself in a deep forest green Henley long sleeve, worn under a quilted brown vest. Pair this with well-fitted dark denim and weathered leather boots. A wool flat cap tops the look, giving it an old-world countryside aesthetic. Perfect for turning soil or pruning shrubs, it blends function and timeless style. The earth-toned classic. A warm oatmeal Henley matched with tan corduroy trousers sets a cozy autumn tone. The addition of a brown leather belt and lace-up boots creates harmony with the season's palette. Toss on a lightweight scarf in burnt orange, and you've got an outfit that feels natural in the golden garden light. The refined worker. For hands-on gardening tasks, a charcoal Henley tucked into olive green work pants delivers both practicality and style. Add suspenders for a vintage craftsman vibe, and choose sturdy black work boots for durability. This look isn't just about appearance, it's about moving with purpose and confidence. The layered gentleman. A burgundy Henley beneath a tweed blazer speaks of classic refinement. Combine this with slim-fit navy chinos and brogue boots. This outfit is less about digging and more about strolling through the garden with a cup of tea, admiring the falling leaves with elegance in every step. The heritage mix. A cream Henley paired with a plaid flannel shirt left unbuttoned is a nod to rugged heritage style. Match with dark jeans rolled at the ankle and brown mock toe boots. Add leather gardening gloves tucked into your belt for that lived-in, practical touch. It's casual, sturdy, and timeless. The cozy gardener. Softness meets function in a heather gray Henley layered under a chunky knit cardigan. Dark khaki trousers and suede boots complement the texture-rich look. With a wool beanie to keep you warm, this style suits cool mornings spent tending autumn herbs and late evenings picking apples. The gentleman outdoorsman. Opt for a navy Henley under a waxed cotton field jacket. Wear it with rugged brown chinos and tall leather boots that are perfect for muddy garden paths. A leather strap watch on the wrist brings sophistication to this otherwise outdoorsy ensemble. Practical yet undeniably classic. The modern minimalist. A crisp white Henley worn with charcoal slim-fit trousers and black Chelsea boots creates a clean, modern look that contrasts beautifully with autumn's earthy backdrop. No extra layering here, just the quiet confidence of simplicity while tending to garden beds with ease. The countryside scholar. Choose a muted mustard Henley paired with gray wool trousers and lace-up derby shoes. Add a long wool scarf and reading glasses tucked into your pocket for a scholarly aura. This look feels like a quiet retreat to the countryside, where tending roses meets reading under a pergola. The evening gardener. As twilight sets in, a deep maroon Henley layered with a shawl collar cardigan exudes warmth. Pair it with dark indigo jeans and leather chukka boots. A lantern in hand or a glass of mulled cider by your side completes this poetic look, blending romance with timeless masculinity.